Good morning, Sir Van. I'm Jessa P. Rodriguez from HM502A. Reorder point. The reorder point, ROP, is the specific inventory level on which a new order should be placed to replenish stock before it runs out. It ensures that products are available during lead time. Example, if the restaurant expected daily usage is 5 kilograms of salt, the anticipated delivery is 6 to 10 days. Delivery is 6 to 10 days. Solution, ROP, usage times lead time plus safety stocks. ROP, 5 kilograms of salt times 6 to 10 days plus 5 kilograms times 4. ROP, 5 kilograms times 6 days plus 5 kilograms times 4. ROP, 30 plus 20, mano siyang ROP, 50 kilograms of salt, 5 times 6, 5 kilograms times 6 days, mano siyang 30, na karing 5 kilograms times 4, mano siyang 20, mano siyang ROP niya, 5 kilograms of salt. And then 2, economic order quality, EOQ. The economic order quality, EOQ, is used to determine the most effective of inventory and holding stocks. Formula, EOQ square root of 2 times O times N over C, where 0, O, cost of placing an order, ordering cost, and number of units required annually. C, annual carrying cost per unit per inventory. Example, number of jars of honey required annually, cost of placing an order. Annual carrying cost per year of inventory. Numbers of jars of honey required annually, 10,000. Cost of placing an order, 10 pesos. Annual carrying cost per year jar of inventory is 1.80 pesos. EOQ. Square root of 2, 10 times 10,000 jars. Divide 1.80. EOQ is 333 jars. B. NO equals N divide EOQ equals 10,000 jars divide 333 jars. Mo na siya ang NO is 30 orders. TOC. NO times OC equals 30 orders times 10 pesos. Mo siya ang TOC is 300. Then the AI, EOQ divide 2, mo siya 333, AI equals 333 divide 2, mo siya 166 jars. TCC equals AI times CC, TCC 166 times 1.80, mo siya ang TCC 298.8 peso. Dire, F, TC equals TOC times TCC, TC 300 plus 298.8 peso, mo siyang TC is 598.8 peso.